The team rain. I am Ridu. Ami is here. Hello, here is Ima. Hi, I am Nilu. Ridu, Ima, Ami and Nilu are friends. They walk together. They play together. Our team is rain. We are in the rain. We love playing in the rain. We love dancing in the rain. They
chase
butterflies. It is fun. But the butterflies love them. They have a bicycle. The bicycle is super. It moves along the roads. It moves over the grass. Sometimes the bicycle flies. I
won.
No, it is me. Not you. My kite.
My kite is
flying high. The team rain likes to climb a tree. Look, Nilu, here is a mango. Ridu said, look, the sun is in my hand, said Ami. Hey, I can see the hill, Ima shouted.
അടുത്തതും കൂടി വായിച്ചു നോക്കി കിട്ടുമോ നോക്കി.
The team rain is on a tree. Look, there is a
rainbow.
Ridu said, let us
touch
it, said Ami. But how? Asked Ima. It is on the hilltop. Nilu said, come, let us go there, said Ridu.
said പറഞ്ഞു. Said. Very good.